Look at this guy. He's trying to fight me. And he's about to kick me too. Damn, look at this. My hands are up, my friend. Okay? Please don't hurt me. I'm okay. There you go. He's gonna start again. Now he's gonna kick me and punch me at the same time. Peter, that's not nice. You're punching me and kicking me at the same time. Look at his big feet. If you're hit by this big feet, I don't think you're gonna survive. That's right, Peter. That's what I said. You got all these big feet, and if you kick me with this big feet, I don't think I'm gonna survive. Oh, you're gonna punch me? Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's not nice. All right, my friend, you take it easy, okay? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm here for peace. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a good boy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, my friend, you take it easy, okay? I'm not fighting you. You're fighting me. I came here for peace. And scratch, and belly scratch right there, see? All right, you take it easy. Peace.